Sending thousands of emails daily using Gmail, SMTP server, or Amazon SES to inbox directly and without any spam. The program that we will explain today, guys, is one of the best email marketing programs. The program is supported by artificial intelligence. There are also many features within the program that are not found in any other sending program. The most important of these features is first, automatic switching between sending servers or sending emails, and the second feature, guys, is that the program by deleting any scheduled emails while uploading your contacts or mailing lists to the program. Okay, guys, so that we don't prolong the introduction any longer, let us begin the explanation. But before we begin, I ask you to pray for our Mujahideen brothers and our oppressed brothers in Palestine, in the name of God, and prayers and peace be upon the messenger of God. How are you guys? I am your brother, Ahmed Hamzi, and this is the NetProfit Channel, a channel that specializes in explanations of profit sites from the internet and electronic marketing. For this reason, please, and it is not an issue if you are still seeing the channel for the first time, I hope you honor us by subscribing and activating the bell button on everyone so that you receive all new updates. The program that we will use today, guys, is the Ultra Mailer program, the best program for sending bulk emails or marketing in general via email. As we said in more than one need, this program distinguishes it from the other programs that we saw in previous videos. Here in the Tools section, you will find more than one tool, including the email investigation tool. Of course, the first step, guys, will be downloading and installing the program. In order to start downloading and installing the program, you will contact me on the WhatsApp link. You will find it in the description below the video or in the first comment. Like, if you don't see this, you will click on the link. It will take you directly to contact me on WhatsApp. After that, I will send you the file on WhatsApp. You will start downloading it to your device. After you download the program, it will appear to you in the form you saw. It will be a compressed file. You press a right click, and after that, you press extract file and press extract. Now after decompressing the file, it will appear to you in the form you saw. This is how we open the file. As you see, inside this file I sent you the activation key for your copy, and you will find inside this video secrets that will not be explained on YouTube. This, guys, is the program installation file. We will open this file like this. This is the program installation icon, the last icon, but we will now leave it in another auxiliary program that we must install before installing the main program. So we will open the file above this, which is written on it. HTML LED will show the program icon. You press right click and we will click on install. Of course, I installed the program before that, guys. After that, you will go back a second step and you will go to the program icon and start installing it. We will right click on it. After that, we will click on Run Admin Store and you will start installing the program. Of course, I installed the program. After that, you open the program and it will be with you in the form you saw. This is everything. Here it will be empty. There is nothing. Of course, any sending program, guys, requires three things from us, as we know. First, it will be the sending server or the Gmail, from which we will send messages. Second, it will be the template or message template. And third, it will be our mailing lists or customer lists, so that we can start adding these three things and begin the sending process. Guys, as you can see in the box that is there, you have this here in two fields, the email sender field and the category field. If we click on the email sender field, here will be the servers or emails that you will start sending from. I mean, if you have an SMTP server, you will start adding it from this place. You have Gmail, you will convert it to a server and start sending from it. You will also add it from this place. If you have Amazon SES, everything is fine. You will be able to add it from this place. In order to add a new server, as you can see, I had a Gmail server before that, and I sent 218 messages from it. Of course, guys, the Gmail server only sends 100 messages a day, and this is a well-known thing. These 200 messages were sent twice, meaning in two stages. You can add more than one Gmail server if you have 10, or you can add 20 Gmails, all of them, and the program is special in that it automatically switches between servers. This means that all these servers will start sending from them. It will take the first server from which he will send 100 emails, and after that it will take the second server from which he will send 100 emails. And so on with regard to Gmail servers. As you all know, Gmail has a specific limit or has specific limits for sending daily, and often these limits are not more than 100 messages. I advise you to buy the best SMTP server, and you will find in the description a link to a website from which you can buy an SMTP server at a reasonable price. It also guarantees you direct sending to your inbox. Okay, in order to add any type of server, guys, we click on the right click here in this empty place, and after that we click on new sender and this window will open for you. Of course, you have more. There is a way to add the sending server as you have seen, but you will find the usual methods in the first box, which is SMTP server. If we click on the arrow here, what you guys see is here. As you see all types of servers, you can add them as you see, Yahoo Gmail Pro Turbo SMTP, and also Amazon servers of all kinds. And that's why in the beginning I was telling you, if you have Amazon SES. But in this explanation, guys, we will be working on the Gmail server. We will convert our Gmail to a sending server because so that people who are not willing to buy an SMTP server have an alternative, or for people who are still beginners and just want to train on the subject, you can work with us in the same way that you will see now. So that we can start adding a new sending email. Guys, we click in this place, right click, and after that we click on new sender and this window will open for you. Now, we will go and choose the email that we will transfer it to a server. Guys, for example, I will choose this email. The first thing we will come to is the email icon here. We will click on it, and after that we will click on manage your Google account. After that, you will click on my security. The most important thing is that the email you are going to use must have the two-step verification feature activated so that it will start working with you. With the password of the applications that we have, we will order it now. Of course, as we said, the two-step verification feature must be activated. After that, you will enter the search engine. You will type app password, and we will get the first result. As you saw, app password, we will click on it. It will ask you for the account password. Of course, this is to verify your identity. After that, we will add the password and press next. The page you saw here will open with you. We will add a name to the program or application for which we will create the password. Any name does not have to be the name of the program. After that, you will click on create, and as you can see, this is the password that you will use to transfer your email to the sending server. After that, we will copy this password, guys, and we will return to the program. I will come here to this place. Of course, we will choose SMT. We will use Gmail, and after that we will come to the password. Here we will add the password that we created just now. Of course, the username will be the email that we used. We will copy the email and add the email in the username field. Here it automatically adds the email to which we created the password as a sending email. After that, you will add the name of the sender or the name of the sender that will appear on the message as soon as it reaches the customer. Here we will add the reply email or the email to which we will receive responses from customers. It may be the same email or a second email. There is no problem. You added any email for the board to Gmail, it will be 587. This means that you will change the board to 587. After that, guys, we will go to the category field so that we can start adding the mailing list that we will start communicating with, or contacts such as you do not see that I have added mailing lists before. In order to add a new list, we click on the right click in this place. After that, we click on new category. Here, you are required to add a name to the mailing list. After that, you click on OK and it appears in this place as you see. Of course, every mailing list you stop at opens for you the contacts that are present in the email list here. Of course, this is still a new list. There are any contacts in it so that we can add contacts to it. We will click on import data. Here you can choose the format of the file that your data is equipped with, whether it is an Excel file, a text file, or by copying and pasting. I have a file that is a text. I will click on import from text. After that, I will click on next on this icon. We will press one click and you will start selecting your file from within the device you are using. You want to upload it. For example, I can choose this file in about 18,000 emails. We will click on the file, and after that, I will click on open. It will tell you here in 18,002 emails inside this file. I will click on start import. It will start downloading the contacts. as you saw in the background like this, and they will be downloaded in this place. What is special about this program, guys, is that if there are scheduled emails, they will be automatically deleted. Here, there is almost nothing prescribed emails, so we will click on them. Okay, the contacts have been fully loaded. If we go down to the end of the mailing list like this, 18,002 emails, because these emails have been verified and do not contain any scheduled emails or any invalid emails, so they were downloaded directly into the program, like this. Guys, we have reached the third and final step, which is adding the template or message template that will be sent to customers. In order to add a message template, you will click on Compost New. The window that you saw here will open with you. You can add the message template via HTML code, or you can write the message yourself and add images and links, or you can choose from the templates or templates present in the program and supported by artificial intelligence. If we click on Select Template from here, it will open for you a list of templates available in the program in the form that you saw, and they are files, as you mentioned. I see that each file contains a very large group of templates. Of course, you choose the template based on your niche or field. You can use any template from these countries by clicking on the wire. From here, the template will begin to be transferred to the program and you can modify it. You can remove images, place texts, and place links as you wish. You can modify the template and turn it into a template for you, and you can also download it as an HTML code that you can keep and transfer to any program or to any other place. For example, if I chose this template and wanted to work on it, I will click on the wire from here. The template will be transferred within the program, and you can control the template and be able to modify it. Once you select anything, you can add something else in its place. I mean, for example, if I stood on this image and wanted to add a second image, click in this place. This is the link to the existing image. I will delete it and upload a picture of my own. There is no problem. You can control the texts and change them by specifying any text. You can change it, links anywhere. If you select the text like this and click on the mark you saw, this adds the link here. After that, you click OK. The link will be added, and you can add an HTML code. If you click on the HTML code from this place, it will come here. Guys, if in any we will delete existing codes, and after that, we will add our own code. If you want to watch the message, we will click on designing mode. As you can see, this message will look like a professional message targeting an Arab audience. For this reason, I made a message in the Arabic language. Here, sir, this is a video, but it will not be played on the program. It will be played inside the message when it is delivered to the client. Here is the link to contact me. Link. On WhatsApp, you can modify the code and modify the basic templates on the program and create a professional template that will be delivered to the customer. Of course, if you would like to create a template manually through the icons above this, you can here, for example, choose the font type here. You choose the font size here. You choose the colors here. You can add a link in any text if you select the text and press here. From here, you can add an image anywhere you stand, add the image, and you can change the size of the image if you feel that the size is too large for the message. In these places, you can add the size manually after you finish the message template. Guys, I am here on Add to Bending. You will not find an arrow like this next to the word. We click on this arrow in order to choose the mailing list to which this template will be sent. For example, here it shows you all of your mailing lists, so you can choose one mailing list, or you can select them all as you see, and it will be sent to them. I mean, in short, from here you can link your template in the specific mailing list to which you want to send the message. We have chosen the last email list. After that, we will click on Add to Bing List. We will choose such an attractive title for the message. Guys, after that, we will come down here to Saif Message. The most important thing is that you click on this arrow and choose the mailing list to which you will start sending the message that you made. After we have chosen, we will click on Saif Message as follows. You see that this template has been saved on the existing mailing list, which we chose. Add the name of the mailing list and a list that exists in this place. The last thing, guys, we will click on Start Now to start sending the message. As you saw, this is a speed in performance and the sending will be completed. We will wait until the program finishes sending. Of course, as we said guys, Gmail only sends 100 messages a day. If you notice that the sending is done successfully in real time, let's open Gmail, guys, and click on the sent messages from here and see if the messages are actually being sent. As you see, it is in real time. At the same time, if you see, here is the date date and time 926 and below. Here on the Windows version is the time 926. We will click on any message like this. Guys, as you see, this is the content of the message and an embedded message. There is a video on YouTube, a professional message, as you see. Of course, these are the links to communicate with me on WhatsApp. Here is a video explaining the program. If the customer clicks on the video, it will arrive on YouTube directly, as you see. This means that the topic is perfect, and the program is excellent, and it is sent to the inbox directly, and as you see, the name of the company or the name of the site that I added. Note to you, with the same date and time, all messages were sent, no problem. Come on, we return to the program to see where it has reached its destination. As you guys see this, the program sent only 179 messages, because, of course, as we said, we use the Gmail server, and Gmail does not send more than 100 messages per day. If we go back to the sending emails, you will find that there are actually 89 messages that were sent from the new email that was sent. We added it together in this video, and the rest of the emails were sent from the old email. They were approximately 213 or 218 at the beginning of the video. If you go back, you will find them here at 218. Here is the email section automatically on the existing servers. If I had a large number of emails, the matter would have been completed with me. There is no problem. I also advise you to use an SMTP server purchased from the Madmoon website, because you know that the server sends, for example, 300,000 messages per month, 1 million messages per month according to your capabilities. You buy it and you know exactly how much it sends, and it is more guaranteed than Gmail. If you need a suitable SMTP server at a good price, you will find me leaving you in the description a website link that you can buy from, and it also guarantees you that the server sends to inbox directly without any problems. Also, do not forget that by contacting me on the WhatsApp number found in the description below the video or in the first comment, you will get the program for half the price available on the official website. I will also send you all the source files, and I will send you a video with these files. This video has a special explanation and also secrets that will not be explained on YouTube at all. Plus, inside the file you will find the activation key for your version. Today, guys, we explain the method of sending via Gmail, and in the upcoming videos, wait for me because we will explain the method of sending via the SMTP server. We will also explain the methods of connecting Amazon SES and many other secrets that we will explain about the program. Therefore, before you close the video, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and activate the bell button on all so that you do not miss the upcoming explanations. If you liked the explanation and liked the program, do not forget, support us with a like and share so that the explanation reaches others and benefits. Thank you, and with you was your brother, Ahmed Hamzi from the NetProfit Channel.